How to find hidden apps on Android. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily find the hidden apps on Android. It depends on the kind of device that you have. Usually on Android devices, if you just pinch in or zoom in on your home screen, it will open up the hidden app section. But in my case, it's a bit different. I'm currently using a Samsung device. So on a Samsung device, you need to tap on settings first, and then from here you need to find home screen settings. Or what you can do is long press on the home screen and then click on settings to open up your home screen settings. Now from here you want to tap on hide apps on home and app screens. Tap on it, and here you'll be shown a hidden app list of your hidden apps. As you can see right now, I'm currently hiding Reddit. So if I go to my app screen and search for Reddit, it won't show up here because I've hidden it. Now what I'm going to do is unhide it. So I'm going to go back to my settings, home screen, then hide apps. Now I'm going to remove this. Now tap on done. And now you should be able to find the app right here. As you can see here, I've found the app. So it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.